Hello everybody, welcome back to our Mind Gears Math. Can you solve this problem? 4 plus 3 times 5. Some people do in this way, left to right. 4 plus 3 equal to 7, then 7 times by 5 equal to 35. So the answer is B, but you know this is wrong, not 35. So what is the correct answer? What is the correct way to solve this problem? Let me show you. To solve this problem, you have to remember PEMDAS rule. P-E-M-D-A-S. P stands for parenthesis or any other type of bracket. Then exponential like 2 square. Then multiplication and division, same level. Multiplication, then division, left to right rule. And also addition and subtraction, plus, minus, left to right rule. So in this problem, we don't see any parentheses and exponential. It is pure addition and multiplication. So we have to do multiplication first. 3 times 5 equal to 15. 4 plus 15 equals to 19. So this is the correct answer. Question number 2. 8 minus 4 divided by 2. Some people do in this way. 8 minus 4 is 4. Then 4 divided by 2 is equal to, and you know, this is wrong answer. So what is the correct answer? PEMDAS rule. You have to do division first. 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. And then 8 minus 2 equals to 6. So the correct answer is B. Next, can you solve it? Drop your answer in the comment.